Today we will see how to use multi-user flows on TDox. That means that more people can fill in the same form. Remember, everything we're about to see is only available on PC, as the web app on smartphones and tablets has reduced functionalities. From the menu, let's go on Forms. Choose an example form like cleaning service. It doesn't matter which one you choose, since we're just going to see how to make it fillable by many users. Once the form is opened, click on Settings on the top right corner and select Multi-User Flow. Click on Confirm. This is all you need to do. Let's see now how it actually works. Save and go to PDF Designer. Save and close. Choose the visibility and publish. From up, click on the form you chose. Start the compilation, choose the customer, date. Click on OK. In the second step, we are going to click on the icon on the top right corner. Save and exit, and we will be asked if we want to suspend the workflow. Say yes. This means that another operator can complete this form from the second step. The operator can choose to either create a new one clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner, or keep on writing in the one already started clicking on it. If we click on the one already started, we will see that it starts from the second step. Multi-user flows are easy to use, but remember that you can't create an event in the agenda for a multi-user fillable form. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn for future updates. If you have any questions, contact us on info@mightydocs.com or leave a comment.